Hello friends, in this video we will learn vernier caliper. This is vernier caliper. First of all, let us discuss different parts of vernier caliper. See, these are the hardened and ground measuring faces for external measurement, and these are hardened and ground faces for internal measurement. With the help of this caliper, we can go for external measurement as well as internal measurement, and we can go for depth measurement also by using this blade. Okay. Now first of all, we will find least count of this instrument. One division on main scale is equal to 1 mm. And this is vernier scale. If you bring these two measuring faces in contact with each other, the 0 of vernier coincides with 0 of main scale. And if you observe here, there are 50 divisions on this vernier scale, and the 50th division is coinciding with 49th division on main scale. What does it mean? The span of 49 mm is divided into 50 divisions. Means the value of one division on main scale is, no doubt it is 1 mm, but the value of one division on vernier scale will be little less than 1 mm because 49 mm span is divided into 50 divisions. Now then, what is the value of one division on vernier scale? It will be 49 divided by 50. If we multiply to numerator and denominator by 2, we will get 98 upon 100, which is equal to 0.98 mm. It is little less than 1 mm. And the difference between the two values, that is value of one division on main scale, which is 1 mm, and value of one division on vernier scale, which is 0.98 mm, is 0.02 mm. This is the least count of vernier caliper. Now let us measure the thickness of this washer. For that, insert this washer between two measuring faces. See, this screw is missing to fix this jaw at this position. Now, how to measure this thickness? First of all, we have to read the main scale reading. Here you can see the 0 of vernier is in between 3rd and 4th division of main scale. It means that the measurement is greater than 3 mm and less than 4 mm. Therefore, main scale reading is 3 mm. It is not 4 mm. We have to take the completed divisions. 3 divisions have crossed by 0 of vernier scale. Therefore, main scale reading is 3 mm plus. After that, we have to see the coinciding division on vernier scale. Here you can see the coincide division on vernier scale is 5th division. Therefore, total measurement is equal to main scale reading. Here main scale reading is 3 plus vernier scale reading. Here vernier scale reading is nothing but coinciding division of vernier scale with main scale. It is 5th division. Therefore, vernier scale reading is 5 into least count. Least count is 0.02. Therefore, total measurement is equal to 3.10 mm. Here you can see for each division on vernier scale, the dimension differs by 0.02 mm, as least count of vernier caliper is 0.02 mm. Therefore, we multiply by 0.02, that is least count, to the vernier scale reading to get the final dimension. Thanks for watching.